Greetings. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a Boogie board for a whiteboard presentation. A Boogie board is an LCD writer or e-writer. You might have used it before to write notes. Did you know that it can also be used as a whiteboard? Hello everybody. My name is Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. My interests are joint replacement. You can learn more about my procedures from my website www.drakvenkat.com. These days, I am making videos to help patients and doctors, teachers and students to communicate more effectively. You can see these videos on my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJRC. If you do see them, kindly give them a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. To use your Boogie board as a whiteboard, you should first download the Boogie board sync app from Windows or Apple stores. Then you should get a screen recorder app to record whatever appears on your computer screen during the teaching session. A free screen recorder app is available in all Windows 10 PCs, or else you can use PowerPoint to record your screen. You can also get free and paid screen recorder apps. Today, I will be using a free app called Flashback Express. Next, connect the Boogie board to your computer by the charging cable that came with it. Once it is connected, the Boogie board sync app will open up on your laptop. You will see 4 options at the top. The first one to the left is for writing on screen. Clicking on it will bring up a blank slate on which everything written with the stylus on the Boogie board will appear. The Write on Screen menu has an arrow marked to the right. Clicking on it will show you pen, background color choices, landscape or portrait mode, and maximizing choices. As this is going to be a whiteboard presentation, choose white as the background color. The pen color is up to you. You can maximize the app on your laptop, and then when everything is ready, you can write on the Boogie board itself with the stylus. Whatever you write on the Boogie board will appear instantly on the laptop. There is no lag. Activating the screen recorder will record this written and spoken material. While writing, you can also record your voice in the screen recorder with a microphone attached to your computer. After you have filled up one page, you can proceed to the next one by pressing the save button on your Boogie board and then erasing the slate by pressing the erase button to get a blank slate. The screen recording would be there in the screen recording app. Bring it up to the editing program, edit and export it in a Windows editing program. Your computer has an inbuilt editor in the Photos app. So I'm going to show you a whiteboard presentation on my Boogie board. Hello. Now I'm going to show you how to make a whiteboard presentation from your Boogie board. I'm going to just flip the camera and you will see the connection. So this is the Boogie board here. It has got a stylus here and it is connected with its cable to my laptop here. And as soon as I've connected it, this app Boogie board sync has come up. So I'm going to just click on this app and it opens up, as you can see. So I will press on this app here, and this app will get maximized. So here in this app, you can see that these are the choices here. I can maximize the screen. I can take it to landscape or portrait mode. I can choose the pen color, the background color, and now I'm going to choose the background color. Since it is a white board presentation, I'm going to leave it at white. I'm going to choose the stroke color or pen color. I'm going to just choose blue for this purpose. We can use black also. And now having chosen it, I'm going to choose landscape mode and I'm going to maximize it. Now I have a total white background screen on my computer, and whatever I write on this Boogie board here with this stylus will appear here soon. So just watch. So I'm going to talk about, I'm going to assume that I'm teaching a class of sixth standard or seventh grade students, maybe eighth grade students. So children, today we're going to talk about the parts of speech. And you can see parts of speech has appeared here. Okay, the first part of speech, what are the parts of speech? One, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and 7 interjection. So whatever I've written on this Boogie board has appeared instantly on the whiteboard presentation over here. During this time, the screen recorder is recording whatever is being written on the Boogie board here on the and which is being conveyed immediately to the laptop here. So when I have finished this book, when I have finished one page now, I'm assuming that I have completed one page and I want to develop on these ideas. So I will go, there are two buttons here, you can see here closely. This one here is the save button. I press on it, it will get saved. And after it is saved, I can press the erase button and the screen will become blank. So now the screen is available for me to write upon, and as you can see on the slate here, whatever was there on the screen has disappeared. I can choose a next page now. So this is how I conduct a whiteboard presentation with a Boogie board. It's a very simple device. It doesn't cost much. Many people might be possessing it, and now you can leverage this device to create a whiteboard presentation. I hope this information was useful to you teachers. If you did find it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues. Kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC, and after subscribing, hit the bell icon to be alerted whenever further videos are uploaded. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.